Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Ehsan Chatta, Assistant Professor, Government Degree College, Chichawatni, in Chemistry. Dear student of the first year, let us learn Chapter 8, Chemical Equilibrium, Article Heisenberg Equation, Derivation. Student, you know Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is about the pH of the buffer solution, and similarly pOH of the buffer solution. First we derive this equation. Consider a weak acid, capital HA, H for proton, A for acid, and its salt HANA, sodium salt of very weak electrolyte. The ionization of the weak acid and strong sodium salt is given here. Acid ionize into hydrogen ion and A negative ion. Similarly, strong electrolyte sodium acetate, Na ionize into sodium ion and A negative ion. Let us apply the chemical equilibrium to weak acid, very weak acid. You know that in chemical equilibrium we place the product under square bracket and multiply by them, and H positive square bracket close, multiply by A negative square bracket close. They are both raised to power 1 because their coefficient is equal to 1 mole, and divided by square bracket HA square bracket close, it is also raised to 1 power, it is also have 1 mole. If we want to determine the hydrogen ion concentration, then hydrogen ion concentration will be equal to the dissociation of the acid constant Ka multiply by acid concentration, molar concentration of acid, and H is under square bracket, divided by square bracket A negative square bracket closed. The concentration of acetate ion provided by the sodium Na, which is a very strong electrolyte, while Ha is very weak acid, so the A negative is provided by Na capital A. Not, it is provided by negligible amount of weak acid Ha. So predominantly it is taken from, and it is given by salt of the weak acid. Taking log on both sides of equation, log of hydrogen ion will be equal to log of dissociation constant Ka multiplied by molar concentration of Ha divided by molar concentration of A negative. Then multiply both side equation by -1. Then we get the negative log of hydrogen ion will be equal to negative log of Ka and similarly negative log of HA, molar concentration of HA, and divided by molar concentration of A negative. Dear student, you know that Ka and other quantities HA and divided by A negative, they are multiplying according to log rule. When two factors are multiplying each other, when we take their log, they are add up, they place we sign of the plus between them. So the negative log of hydrogen ion will be equal to log of Ka, negative log of Ka plus, that is again multiplied by -1 log of Ha over A negative. If we want to convert the sign negative to change to the positive, we invert the Ha, molar concentration of Ha and A negative. We place A negative as numerator and Ha as denominator. हम A को ऊपर शुमार कुनिंदा में ले लेते हैं और एसिड की कंसंट्रेशन को हम मखरज में ले लेते हैं और उसके साथ के A प्लस का साइन लगा लेते हैं। इस तरह ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो ये बनती है, पोटेंशियल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयन यानी पीएच विल बी इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल ऑफ डिसोसिएशन कांस्टेंट फॉर एसिड प्लस log of molar concentration of salt divided by molar concentration of acid. Dear student, log of hydrogen ion is equal to potential of hydrogen ion. Similarly, this equation in case of bases, weak bases, and their salt with strong acid, potential of hydroxyl ion will be equal to pKb, potential of dissociation constant for base, plus active molar concentration of salt divided by molar concentration of base. Here wrongly perhaps written acid, it is base. So the POH is equal to pKb plus molar concentration of salt divided by molar concentration of base. This is the quantitative relationship between the dissociation constant for acid and negative log of potential of hydrogen ion and similarly potential of hydroxyl ion. If we take the equal molar of salt to acid ratio, salt to base ratio, then the pH will be equal to dissociation potential of dissociation constant for acid. In case of acetic acid, that will be equal to 4.78. In case of formic acid, 3.74, 4.74, 3.78 in case of formic acid. Similarly, if we change the concentration, not take away equal molar, then the concentration change and log of salt to acid ratio also change and pH may also increase, or if we decrease their concentration, then the pH also decreases. This is the question about we known as Henderson-Hazel-Bulch equation to calculate the pH of the buffer and POH of the buffer solution. Thank you student. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.